In this video, we're going to look at rotation. We need to familiarise ourselves with the way in which they ask us to complete the rotation. They usually say about a certain point. Now, we've got the x-axis there and we've got the y-axis there. Now, when we're reading these coordinates, we do it based on x first, then y. Nice and easy to remember, we've got x comes before y in the alphabet, so that's how we plot it, across before we go up and down. So we're going to look at the word here, origin, to start off with. Now, origin is the point at which x is 0 and y is 0. So it's where they cross there in the centre. The next one we're going to look at is 1, 2. Okay, so this point here. So remembering, we plot the x value first, then the y. So this is saying we're going to go across to 1, then we're going to go up to 2. So that point is there. Next one then, we've got a minus value for x this time and a positive value for 4. X is first, so we're going to go across this way now to -3 and up to 4. And next bit, we've got 3 and -5 for our y value. So we're going to go across to 3 on our x-axis first of all, which would be there, down to -5, which is down here. Okay? So that gives you that point there. So remember x before y when you're plotting these. Next, we're going to look at the direction in which they're going to ask you to travel. So we've got a clockwise direction goes that way and anti-clockwise goes that way. Okay? So if we look at the first question, you will be using tracing paper to do these questions. So if you do not have one given to you in your exam, make sure you put your hand up and say you need it. And also, if you need one to do this homework, make sure you pick some up from the maths classrooms. If you're really stuck, you can use baking paper and that will work just as well. So when we're doing these, we're looking at what they're asking us to do. So we're rotating. Now I should think of turning straight away to give you a clue. 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Okay, so the origin we said up here was 0, 0, so that is our point of rotation there. We're going to put the tracing paper over the graph. We're going to sketch the shape they've asked us to do. Now it always helps, because sometimes you're given diagonal shapes, to draw a little X marks the spot at where you're pointing doing the rotation. So you can see here 0, 0 is where you are putting your pencil to do the turn, and you're looking to go clockwise, which is that way, and you're also looking to make it go 90 degrees. So it's basically, we've got a 0, we've got our 90 degrees, we've got 180, we've got 270 degrees. We're looking for this 0 to be where that 90 is instead, okay? So we're going to put our pencil down, we're going to turn it until the 0 is where the 90 was originally, and that is the position of our new shape. So lift it to point, do your corners, you can see you're matching up there and here, and then we're going to draw the rest of the lines in with our ruler, and that will complete our rotation. Okay, now a little look at this next shape down here. This time I'm going to be rotating 90 degrees anti-clockwise about 1, 2. So this time we've got a position that is in the origin and we're looking to put our pencil at the point of 1, 2. So we've got position 1, 2. This is where we are going to be marking our degrees and also putting our pencil to do the turns. So tracing paper over, sketch the shape, pencil goes there, we're doing anti-clockwise this time. Okay, so we're looking to go the other way, so 0, 90, 180, 270, and that way, remember, for the anti-clockwise. Pencil at that point, turn the shape until the 0 gets to where the 90 was. So you can see here, it's going from 0 to 90 anti-clockwise, and that's where the 0 is. That's where our new shape is going to lie. Put the corners in, okay, so you can see here it's actually lying on the axis this time. Draw the other sides in, okay, that completes our rotation for that question there. I hope this helps with your homework. Thank you for watching and good luck.